Welcome to Oak Park Estates, the newest development here in Nevada, Iowa. We have lots available and houses for sale for whatever your dream may be. Come take a look. And this is 802 Academy Circle, which is just one of the brand new build townhomes here at Oak Park Estates. Come take a look. Currently listed for just over $430,000, Greystone is throwing in a $10,000 buy credit so you can make this home your own. Located just on the edge of Nevada, with quick access to Highway 30, this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is perfect for anyone looking for both comfort and convenience. The main floor features a primary suite, an additional bathroom and bedroom. Additionally, the basement includes a bathroom, bedroom, and more. You won't want to miss out on your opportunity to buy this home today.
Town.